All right, what's up everybody? I'm out here today with the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee 6-cylinder. I'm gonna change the oil on this one and I'm gonna show you how it's done, and I'm gonna reset the light inside. I'm gonna show you that too. We're gonna change the oil filter, and that's it. I'm gonna show you the tools you're gonna need for that, and it's gonna take about 30 minutes. I've put the car on jacks. Let me show you that. That side of the jack's still there. I got this side so the car's even and the oil drains evenly. Alright, taking the oil bolt out. As soon as you get under the car, you're gonna see it right there. You see it's still draining, but it's almost done. So now the oil filter is right here. This right here, you see this cover. You see that sign? It's the oil. Take this out. Oil filter is right there. That's it. You're gonna undo that bolt to take this whole cover off. That's gonna be a size 10 socket. So once that's off, this will pop off. And I think 3 or 4 places. So there's 4. One in each corner. Alright, that's off now. On another note, once you loosen the filter, you could just leave it there for about 5 minutes, and everything will just drain out of it, so you don't have much oil to begin with. So when you take it out, you're not making a mess. All right, now that we have that out, I'm gonna show you how to change that cartridge inside. This cartridge filter is what needs to be changed. The seals on it, I'll show you all that. We'll put it back, we'll fill some oil, and then we'll reset the light. All right, so here we have the filter. You're just gonna pull this out, it's gonna come out. And then you have a seal right here that needs to be changed. So you need something sharp to get it out with. Now that that's out, you get the new seal from the filter. It does require to have a little bit of oil on it, so it's lubricated and not dried out. You can swipe some from inside here, or where you're draining your oil into, just to rub it around the seal. And you put that around and just kind of roll it down. It does need a little stretching for it to go down. And then you roll it down all the way to the bottom spot where it needs to be. There you go, nice and even, same thread. Alright, now the new filter, it should just pop into its place. And that's it. And it has like a little spring in there, you feel once it's in there. Alright, so now you take that. Now we're just gonna put this back here. Gonna hand tighten this until you can't anymore. All right, now we're gonna get that socket back, size 24. And put that on there, and we're gonna tighten it. You don't over tighten these things. They have a spot where they stop. There it is, look. And if you try to go, it does not go. That's enough. That's what the seals are for, they'll do the job. All right, now that the filter is in place, put that cover back. I don't know if you see, so the covers, for the cover, this is one, That back there is 2. That's gonna pop in there. That's 3. And that's 4. And if you look under this, it's got these rubber things for it on all 4 corners. That's in. That's in. They're all in. So now we're gonna pop. They're all in place. You put this bolt back. Always run a few threads with your hands so you don't run it on the wrong thread. And we're gonna put the socket wrench on it. All right. Now we can close that up. Open this up. Now we're gonna need our funnel. Here's our funnel. Now we need the oil. All right, guys. Now that the oil filter is back on the car, I'm gonna get under there, plug the drain plug, put the bolt back, take out that pan that I was using to drain it, and we're ready to put some oil in and call it a day. Let's see. All right, we're here now. It's dripping, but if you leave it at all, it's just drip. Before I close it, I always make sure there's no excess oil here. Clean that off. And then again, tighten it with your hand as much as you can. The rest with the wrench. You don't want to over tighten this one either. You could strip the threads, and that would not be good for anybody. All right, that's it there. Let's pull this out. We're done from down here. All we got left to do is add some oil and we're good to go. All right, so you take the oil cap off. You see that it says 020 is what's required. And what I got here is a full synthetic 020. So I already got my funnel in. I'm gonna pour that in. Once that's poured in, and we'll give the car a start, we'll reset the light, and that's it. Let me pour it in, I'll be back. Okay, so once you're done with the oil change, you come inside the car. I'm just gonna say that I do need an oil change. There it is. So what you're gonna do now is turn off the car, and then you're gonna hit the start button twice again until it's on or run, and then you're gonna hit the gas pedal 3 times, and it shouldn't say it anymore. There it is. It didn't say it. It made the noise. It's cleared. Now usually when you turn on the car, it also says it, just to double check. And the light is cleared, as you can see. So again, you press this twice, get to run. As soon as it's there, you hit the gas pedal 3 times fast all the way down, and that will reset your oil change required light. There you have it. That's for 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee.